Cool. All right. And then we'll just hold that upside down until it comes out, right? Fuck yeah, no. Relax. All right, I want to install the original shifter back in. In the meanwhile, I will clean the whole area down there. Use the vacuum cleaner as well to clean the area up. I have to figure out how to make that as long as possible. That ideally probably leave it as is and put the center console back in because I took it out to access the shifter properly. So it is the next morning and this is fully dried. So that means I've got to start cutting this off as well.